Tesla's Elon Musk has uncovered his organization's intends to go up against smaller official autos. For example, the BMW 3 arrangement in i3 with the Tesla Model 3. The all-electric Model 3, which was initially going to be known as the Model E, will be around 20% littler than the Model S and will have a shorter scope of around 200 miles, yet it will have solid execution, like the Model S, and begin at just $35,000. The Model S begins at around $70,000. The picture at the highest point of the story is an informal render of what the Model the 3rd of may resemble. Tesla hasn't discharged any official symbolism yet. While nobody questions the achievement of the Model S, there would one say when is question that keeps flying up: when will Tesla make a less expensive adaptation? At $70,000 for the least expensive Model S and upwards of $90,000 for a DC-bout adaptation with 265-mile run, there just aren't numerous individuals who can bear the cost of one. It's just fine to have a favorite EV that mogul early adopters are pleased to flaunt to their companions, yet in the event that you need to truly change the world, and to challenge the territory of gas-controlled autos, you require an EV for the mass market, and that implies shabby. At $35,000, the Model 3 wouldn't be that shoddy, yet it would be sufficiently shabby to develop Tesla's addressable market by no less than a factor of 10. The BMW 3 arrangement, which Tesla is unequivocally and verifiably focusing with the Model 3, sold 500,000 units worldwide in 2013, versus around 30,000 aggregate lifetime deals for the Model S, and after that there's the Audi A4, Mercedes C-Class, BMW 1 Series, Ford Focus, etc. Obviously, with a lower value point comes bring down specs. For a begin, the Model 3 will have a scope of 200 miles, down from 300 miles for the 85 kWh Model S. The auto itself will be 20% littler, and it won't be founded on the Model S wheelbase. And I speculate it'll be a reasonable piece lighter as well. As indicated by Tesla's building boss, a ton of the value lessening will originate from the utilization of more financially savvy batteries, perhaps by means of Tesla's up-and-coming battery gigafactory. Tesla's architect, Franz von Holzhausen, has said beforehand that the Model 3 will have a more particular plan than the Model S, i.e., it will presumably resemble an offbeat EV rather than a genuinely standard vehicle. Musk says the Model 3 will have solid execution, yet we wouldn't be astonished on the off chance that it isn't exactly the same as the Model S's 0 to 60 mph in 4.2 seconds.